Hi, welcome back to Physics Teacher, the channel that prepares you for the Waterloo Math and Science contest. This is a basic question from the Avogadro contest, but it's very important for any introductory chemistry, and that's nomenclature. If you have trouble with nomenclature, I've posted a link to the very first episode for a series of shorts which will teach you all you need to know for basic high school chemistry nomenclature. Be sure to check it out. And please consider subscribing so you don't miss any of the further episodes in that series or other contest questions. For this question, try figure out the formula for lead 2 nitrate, and I'll be right back with the solution. Alright, so the first thing you always want to ask when you're trying to find a formula is this an ionic compound or a molecular compound? So look at the very first element and say, is this a metal or not? In this case, it is a metal. Lead is a metal. It's right over here to the left of our staircase. And so this is going to be an ionic compound. Now with ionic compounds, we don't use those mono, di, tri prefixes. Instead, we look at the charges to figure out the number of atoms for each element. Now, since lead is a transition metal, its charge is listed right here with these Roman numerals. So in this case, the charge on lead is going to be +2. Now, the next thing you want to be careful of is the ending of the non-metal. A and B are meant to trip you up, because a lot of students will think this is nitrogen. But if it's simply nitrogen, the ending is changed to IDE, which would be nitride. If it ends with ate or ite, that's a polyatomic ion. And you can look those up. Nitrate is the polyatomic ion NO3 and has a charge of -1. So here we have lead with a charge of +2 and nitrate with a charge of -1. And what you want to do is add either a certain number of metals or polyatomic ions so that your total charge balances. So in this case, we have a charge of +2 and -1. So we're going to need another nitrate so that our positive and negative charges balance. So when we do that, the formula is going to look like PB1, but we don't need to write the 1. And then for polyatomics, we're going to put that in brackets. So NO3. With a total number of 2 of these nitrates. So our answer is D.